With Tom Kiffin.
Well, what's the radar telling us tonight, Tom Kiffin?
Well, we had the first batch of precipitation go through late this morning into the afternoon hours, and that's this batch of precipitation that extends from northern lower Michigan into southwestern Ontario. We're watching more rain starting to head this way here, and I think we'll see some of this rain, Becca, move into the UP as we go into the nighttime hours. But we're not dealing with severe thunderstorms here. These are severe thunderstorms with strong winds, hail, and even tornadoes. And then this is the most dangerous thunderstorm out of them all. This is a supercell thunderstorm. You know, sometimes you look at radar here and you see the big line of storms coming on through, and it can look scary. That's when it's a damaging wind threat mainly, and maybe an isolated tornado spin up. But when you get a supercell thunderstorm out on its own, it's got every environmental aspect to work with. It's kind of like on Halloween and you walk down the street here. Do you want to be the only person getting all the candy, or do you want to fight with 50 other people trying to get candy? What is your option here? So this supercell thunderstorm is all alone in getting the Halloween candy, let's call it, and it's got all the atmospheric juice to work with, and that's what's going on east of Oklahoma City tonight. And this supercell thunderstorm has produced some tornadoes and also some large hail. And in fact, I got the supercell as a whole on our 906 Weather Watchers page. Speaking of our 906 Weather Watchers page here, it was lunchtime at Marianne Bowers Taylor's place in Nema. Here you can see the turkey showing on up. Thanks, Marianne, for sending that one in. And then as we look at other 906 Weather Watcher photos here, Cindy Scheffler here of Escanaba. You can see some snow coming down during the midday hours. She said, though, on our 906 Weather Watchers page that the birds didn't mind at all. Thanks, Cindy, for sending that in. And then Robert Halterman here of Hermansville. You can see fresh little cover of snow there in his yard in Hermansville. Thanks, Robert, for sending that in. And then as we look at Greg Pond, Munising, he's sitting at Audrain Beach here looking to the northwest, and you can see some light there out in the distance out over the open waters of Lake Superior. Thanks, Greg, for sending that one in. And then Brandon Schultz took a trip to the shoreline near the Huron Islands here. You can see Lake Superior, kind of calm there, but you can see the Huron Islands out in the distance. Thanks, Brandon, for sending that in. It was a beautiful start to the day today in Escanaba here with a beautiful sunrise. Jennifer Spirks, I believe, is how you pronounce the last name. Correct me if I'm wrong, Jennifer. I'm so sorry. But Escanaba here, you can see that's M35. The airport's back here, and you can just see beautiful clouds with the sunlight reflecting off them. Thanks, Jennifer, for sending that in. And then Tommy K, Ludington Street here, looking down towards the water, looking eastward. You can just see a beautiful way to start the day in Escanaba. Thanks, Tommy K, for letting me use that photo. And then something pretty big today on our 906 Weather Watchers page. Jennifer was actually our 900th member.
Woo!
We hit 900 members here, and we're going to try to get to 1,000 here. So make sure you hit that invite button, invite your friends to join our 906 Weather Watchers page. We'd love to share your photos during WJMN Local 3 News. All right, we're going to take our Max computer here, and you can see here's what's ahead. We're going to start to see some rain move into the UP during the overnight hours and into the daytime on Thursday, and it is going to come with wind. And then wintry precipitation also can't be ruled out for the overnight and Thursday, but the best chance of that is going to be in the higher terrain west of Marquette and also the higher terrain areas of the western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula. Overall, though, we're looking at temperatures that will be running at or below average through the weekend. Tonight, temperatures aren't going far. They'll be in the 30s, including 30 for Marquette, or right around 30, 33 Escanaba and Gladstone, 32 Iron Mountain, and 31 for Houghton and Hancock. 39 tomorrow for Marquette. Some wintry precipitation can't be ruled out as you go west of Marquette. And then 47 on Friday with a chance of rain showers, maybe some wintry precipitation. And no record high temperatures this Saturday. We're looking at a cold rain, perhaps some wintry precipitation with a high of 37. Escanaba and Gladstone, 44 tomorrow, 51 on Friday with a chance of rain showers, maybe some wintry precipitation. And then temperatures right around 40 on Saturday with rain showers and perhaps some wintry precipitation. Iron Mountain, 44 for your Thursday, 52 on Friday, 41 on Saturday with rain showers and wintry precipitation. And then in the Copper Country, 35 for your Thursday, 43 Friday, rain showers or wintry precipitation. And then Saturday, 35 degrees, 36 on Sunday with either cold rain or wintry precipitation. Becca, fingers crossed for early next week. You can see it here for Houghton and Hancock that we at least get 2, maybe 3 days of dry weather, and that would help out the river flooding situation.
Sounds good.